Action. Okay, so we are unboxing this Oraimo Bass Go Boom, the HavyBass speaker. Okay, ta-da! Another layer.
Bang bang bang.
Bang bang. See the beautification. Beautification. Okay now. Gay. One
Powerful.
carton. Thank you for being a carton.
Like this.
Okay. Gay. It's okay. You can see it has control buttons, minus, plus. I think this is light, play, module,
Bluetooth.
and this is power, I guess. And then he has this place for
Charging.
microphone. Hey, I have microphone.
Here is the connector.
This is charging, and then this is the aux and USB. Okay. Then anything else you need to know?
That is it.
So we go about the sound. How do we connect?
Power first.
Hey, I had to stop the sound because of copyright, but this is the speaker. Basically, you can change the color of the light to suit whatever mode you're in by pressing the button in the middle, and then you can also put off the light entirely if you don't want it. So if you ask me, I think it's a good purchase for the price that it's going for now. I think it's around 40k now. Yes, Oraimo has brought down the price. It was around 60k earlier in the year, but now it's around 40k. It's a very good buy if you ask me. It's portable, the sound is nice, and it's just a very good buy. See you in the next video. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.